Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can add Etsy reviews to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Etsy reviews. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. That's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right then you're going to be in applications, and in the search you just want to write Etsy, and here you got it, Etsy reviews. So let's create a widget. Now you can choose between reviews widget, carousel, grid, slider. I'm going to choose the carousel one, but you can really choose which one you want. So I'm going to choose carousel, continue with the website, with the template. Now you just add here your Etsy URL of your eShop shop. And then you got a layout here that you can change, review style. You can edit literally everything. Then just go to top right, click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. In search widget, just write HTML, paste it to your website, and paste the code here. And voila, now I'm just going to preview the changes. And here I got it. So how simple was that, right? If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I definitely recommend check all the other applications here. You can pay it monthly or annually. And you can check also all applications here. If you want to buy like everything for 46 bucks a month, you can do it. No big deal about that. And if you have any questions, also write me down in comments, and you can ask also F-site. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.